Making money by creating content for kids can be an attractive option, but keep in mind that the content you create must be safe, educational, and ethical. How to make money with creative content for kids. Hello friends. In this video, we'll share some ways you can make money by creating fun and useful content for your little ones. Come on, let's start. This is our journey and our milestones. Find your niche or content concept. Before you start, consider finding a specific niche or concept for your channel. This could be a fairy tale, ABC learning, a safe science experiment, or even arts and crafts. Knowing your niche will help you attract a consistent audience and build a following. 2. Create high-quality content. Make sure to always create high-quality and engaging content. Use a good camera, clear audio, and provide a fun and engaging display for children. If you do create a story, make sure it has an interesting plot and a positive message. 3. Consistency is key. In building a successful channel, consistency is key. Try to upload content regularly and stay engaged with your followers. With consistency, parents will feel comfortable entrusting your content to their children to watch. 4. Monetize your channel. Once you have a sufficient follower base, you can monetize your channel. Some ways you can try. A. YouTube Partnership Program. You can sign up for the YouTube Partnership Program, which will allow you to earn money through the ads that appear on your videos. B. Endorsement and sponsorship. By having a large following, you can offer companies or brands the opportunity to advertise or sponsor your content. C. Products or merchandise. You can create products or merchandise related to your content and sell them to your followers. D. Donation channels. If your parents or fans of your content want to directly support you, you can set up a donation channel. 5. Prioritize safety and creativity. Always put safety and creativity first in your content. Never use materials that are inappropriate for children or display bad manners. Be a good role model for the younger generation. Thanks for watching our video on how to make money creating kids content. Hopefully these tips are useful for those of you who want to start an educational and entertaining channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other friends.